One murder case begets another as investigators are taking a second look now at a 2015 death in new fallout from the Alex Murdaugh double murder trial. At the time, it was declared vehicular homicide, a hit and run. Now it's being called simply homicide. WATE Issacs on your side legal analyst Greg Issacs now joins us. Greg, thank you for being here.
Lord, it's good to be here.
Here we go again. The name Murdaugh pops up again. We want to talk about where this case fits into the Murdaugh case and the effort to exhume the body. First of all, what's the victim's link to all of this?
Well, the name Murdaugh is becoming synonymous with crime and corruption that permeates South Carolina. Here's the latest. Buster had a friend at school, Stephen Smith, and Stephen Smith was openly gay, and Buster was linked to him romantically. Buster denied that. But in 2015, Stephen was found near the hunting preserve of the Murdaugh family in the middle of the road, and it was ruled a hit and run. But Lori, the rumors swirled in, and they haven't stopped, that it was a homicide.
That's right. And Buster, of course, the surviving son of the Murdaugh family, he was out with a statement. Let me read it to you. He says, "These baseless rumors of my involvement with Stephen and his death are false. My heart goes out to the Smith family." So what does that say to you?
Let's talk about law enforcement and prosecutors in that part of South Carolina. They are not afraid to try a circumstantial case. The family is having the body disinterred. That means exhumed. Now, what's interesting with law enforcement, they said they're going to participate in the exhumation, but they don't need that evidence. So, Lori, in the Alex Murdaugh criminal prosecution, they interviewed hundreds of witnesses, and apparently they've uncovered some link to Buster and the now homicide of Stephen Smith.
To go forward. The exhumation of the body.
Law enforcement SLED, the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division, are now characterizing his death as a homicide. So really big statements from law enforcement, but you talk about explosive. Here we go again, another circumstantial case. So timeline.
Yeah, what happens next here? So they exhume the body, then what happens?
Exhume the body. There's an ongoing criminal investigation. Young Murdaugh better lawyer up, but they're going to start focusing on that. Then they're going to wait for the pathology and the forensics. And then based on what we're hearing from law enforcement, I wouldn't be surprised if you see Buster being charged. But wow. The Murdaugh family, one of the leading legal icons in South Carolina, politically the same, now are becoming one of the largest criminal enterprises in that part of the state. Unbelievable.
We'll be watching. Greg, thank you.